In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your data is protected with minimal effort using the built-in controls inside QuickBooks. Start by signing into your QuickBooks account and looking to the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon there. That gear opens your settings menu, which is where most of the important configuration options live. Go ahead and click the gear to open the Settings panel. From the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This is the central place where you can review and adjust how your company file behaves behind the scenes. Once you're in Account and Settings, look over to the list of tabs running down the left side. These tabs group related options together so you don't have to hunt around. Click the tab labeled Advanced. The Advanced area holds your deeper preferences, including the backup controls you need. With the Advanced tab open, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the end, you'll find a section labeled Backup. This is where QuickBooks centralizes the backup option, so you don't have to manage it elsewhere. When you reach that section, click Turn on Backups. That's the entire action required to enable the feature. Once you click it, QuickBooks takes over the heavy lifting, so your data can be preserved according to the system's design. A quick heads up, if you're working in a test or sample account, you might notice that turning backups on doesn't actually perform a live backup. In many test environments, the control is a placeholder for demonstration purposes only. Even so, the steps I just walked you through are exactly the same ones you'll use in a real company file, where the setting will take effect. A few practical notes to help you succeed. The gear icon always lives in the top right. So, if your screen looks a little different due to window size or zoom level, keep an eye on that corner. The Account and Settings page is the right place to be, and the Advanced tab on the left is your target. Scrolling to the bottom ensures you don't miss the backup section. If the wording or layout looks slightly different, don't worry. QuickBooks occasionally updates labels, but the path remains essentially the same. That's all there is to it. Click the gear, open Account and Settings, head to Advanced, scroll to the bottom, and turn on backups. Simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching, and take a moment now to enable your backups so your QuickBooks data stays safe.